Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a leaf in Blender. So now this is Blender. Click the empty area, click one more time, press A and press delete to delete everything. Next, I'm going to show you that I have a picture. This is a PNG picture. Alright, this PNG picture, the background is transparent. Make sure you already prepare a picture like this. No matter how, you go and take photo for any of the real leaf outside there in the outdoor. Take a picture and just use whatever image editing software to make sure you remove the background to make sure it is background transparent with the leaf shapes at the center. So next, I'm going to proceed to Blender. This is Blender. First, what you need to do is just click add a mesh, add a plane, like this. Alright, next, what you need to do is click here to show the material texture. Then click material to add new. Under the base color, just click here. Then go to choose the image texture. It is at here. Then open the PNG that you already prepared for the leaf. Double click it. Now, once you've done this step, next step, just go to the UV editing. At here, drag it to right side and make sure you turn on. Once you turn it on, then click here the empty area and press A to select everything. Then at the left hand side here, this is the UV map. Just click and press A. Then press here to make sure you can select the edge. Then move it down to make sure it fit to here. Click, make sure it fit. Click, make sure it fit. Then click up like this. So now you can see, once you've done this step, just back to the layout. Click the material, scroll down until you see the blend mode, change it to alpha clip or, change it to alpha hash. Alright. So for the blend mode, you change it to alpha hash. The shadow mode should be opaque or none. But you can see, you still cannot see any of the transparent here. Just go one more step, go to the shading. Then, here you should be able to see the alpha. The alpha is at here. Click, click, drag it. The alpha, you can just drag the alpha, connect to the alpha. Then, back to the layout, you should be able to see this leaf is already have the transparent at this side. So now, just go and click the scale. Just drag and make sure it is in scale with the original leaf. You can always check back the reference. This is your leaf. So make sure the scale is correct. Once you've done the scaling, then what you need to do is just press A and just press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Make sure all transform. Then, next go to the edit mode. At here, just right click subdivide. Subdivide a few times if you want, so that you can reshape the leaf. Just for example, if you want to just bend it a little bit, so just like this, you can bend the leaf. So click here, then select. This is just an example to bend your leaf. Now, see? I bend it. Alright. Once you already bend it a little bit like this, then you back to the material. Now you can see this leaf is already bent. back to the object mode, now you can see your leaf already have a curve bend like this. At the same time, you also can bend the center part. Just back to the edit mode, then here, click -Y. So you click here to select the face. Let's say if you click here, you can rotate it a little bit if you want, but of course you can just rotate it at the beginning. Move. Now, if you just check back your leaf, back to the object mode and turn on the texture, now you can see your leaf already have the bend shape. Right, this is the way to just recover back your leaf. At the same time, back to the material. At here, the roughness, you can just make sure it is 0. Done. So now, it is already become the leaf. This is the original shape. It is just a plane. Alright. So finally, it is done, and you can attach it on any of your plants. So the trunk, you can just make the trunk, make the branches, and attach the leaf on your plants, on your flora. Alright, that's all for today about how to create a leaf, how to create a leaf in your Blender. And this is a 3D modeling process to create a quite realistic leaf from just a piece of picture. Finally, you make it a 3D model of a leaf. If you want to make it some of the solidified, you can just go to the modifier if you want. But for this, it is fine, because for the real leaf, it is just very small. For each of the grids in Blender, it is 1 meter. Right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.